take about 2 hours and you can relax on the way. You can relax and you can make a song, whatever you like to do.
Sawadee Ka! Welcome back for another Thailand experience. And this time, we are visiting our second and third stops, PATTAYA Sheep Farm and the Big Bee Farm. Let's go to our second stop. PATTAYA Sheep Farm is a home to many other animals than just sheep. They have plenty like goats, donkeys, horses, pigs, ponies, rabbits, tortoise, parrots, and my favorite, voila, the pelican. It's one of the most family-friendly attractions in Pattaya. And if you love petting animals, feeding them and cuddling them, this place is for you. It's located at Nong Plalay, Banglamung by the Pattaya-Chonburi Highway and opens at 9 AM to 7 PM daily. And for only 50 baht for adults and free for kids under 110 centimeters, you wouldn't want to get out of this place. We will check this out later. Let's go. Okay, so guys, we're gonna have our lunch first. Dito. Let's go, go. Nakatulog ako ng sobra. So let's eat. Ito naman dito. Eating and we're taking our lunch here at the Barn Steakhouse. How's it? How's it, Yamang? We just finished eating here. Our lunch here at the Barn Steakhouse. It's nice, cool food. Worth it. Worth it. Ito si Lance Eagle. Look at that. Okay, so we're now at PATTAYA Farm, and according to the itinerary, we're going to feed some shit. There you go. I want this. I want one. Orlando. Look at that. Come here. What are you doing? Go eat. Go. Eat together. Sa'yo na nga. Sa'yo na. Grabe lang yung camera ng S8. Sobrang lupit. Ganda ng camera ng S8.
Ilang megapixel ba yan?
8. I've been wanting to own a horse. Can I touch it? Look at his eyes. Hey you, good boy.
Good boy if he's not a boy. So what?
Let's try to see if it's a boy or a girl. Hey, it's a boy! Okay, they're calling us. Okay, so it feels good to be in the farm at least once in a while. And now, I don't know where are we going next. These are the little ponies. Pony. Oh, that's Baboy Ramo. Lance! Lance, Ego! This is you! This is you!
Ito pigs. Ang ating mga kapatid na pigs.
This is you!
Oh my God.
So sleepy. Why?
For attention, go.
Okay, so this one's calling for attention. Hey, donkey! Donkey, where's Shrek? Hey, donkey! Maybe he spits to you. Okay, so let's proceed to the bird park, bird land. Look at these beautiful creatures. Look at that. Wow. See this? These little creatures. Oh, so cute. That was so cute. Never mind. Ay! And line. Lipat kayo, sir.
Ako'y napapanga.
Hi. Hello.
Sarap ng kain.
Here are the chickens. Wow, look at those feet. Yeah, very aggressive. Hello. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Good, this one is very acclimatized agad sa mga tao. This is so big. Yes. It's so big, you know? Look. But I'm so scared to touch it. What? Wow. So cute.
Yes. Okay.
Lance, liga dito. Tingnan mo yung sapatos sila, oh. Naka-ano, Nike Air.
Maraming ganito sa atin.
Wala naman eh.
Maraming ganyan, no? Busog na manok lang yan eh.
Hindi nga.
Oh.
Look at the swans. Baba. Hello. Hello.
May nawawalang bata dito. Oh. Ayun, no? cute eh, no?
Look at that. Can touch. These are Rudolph's reindeers. Look, it's reindeer.
Hi, dears.
It's lost. This is may sugat yung isa. He got scars.
梅花鹿。
Look at those rabbits.
This one.
No, there's
Where are
one.
the rabbits?
This one.
There.
This one.
Hello there. So we're done with the Pattaya farm, and now we're going to the bee farm.